Looking for a super easy and refreshing treat to make this summer? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we have a lot of fun in the kitchen and create healthy and tasty recipes together. Today we're going to be making an antioxidant-rich strawberry sorbet. Begin by pitting 6 to 8 Medjool dates, which is about 1 cup, and you simply just pull them apart and then remove the hard pit. Medjool dates are high in disease-fighting antioxidants, and they're also going to act as our sweetener in this recipe. But you are always welcome to use your favorite sweeteners such as honey or maple syrup. All will work great in this recipe. Dates can tend to get hard like mine were, so we want to soften them up just a little bit to make them easier to work with. And it's really easy. Just place your pitted dates into a bowl and add 3/4 cup of filtered water. Okay, and then press your dates down so that they can get completely immersed in the water, and then let them sit for about 10 minutes and soak up and get a little bit softer. Add your soaked dates along with the water to your food processor. Add in the juice and zest of 1 lemon, which is high in vitamin C and antioxidants, both of which support your immune system. The next 3 ingredients are completely optional. The first is 5 drops of orange essential oil. And did you know just the scent of this can help boost your mood? It's also high in vitamin C, which can help support your immune system. The next ingredient is 1 scoop of Organixx Clean Source Collagens powder, which is tasteless and odorless, so it's a really great addition to a lot of different recipes. The last optional ingredient is 1 tablespoon of grated ginger root, which will add a little bit of kick to our recipe, and it's also so good for supporting a healthy digestion. I let my food processor run for about 2 minutes, and what you're going to get is a thick kind of paste, and that's exactly what you want. So our last ingredient is 3 cups of frozen strawberries. You can either already get them frozen or go get some fresh and just stick them in the freezer for a couple of hours. Both are great. And these are also high in vitamin C and antioxidants. So this recipe is just loaded with antioxidants and vitamin C, both which really help support your immune system. Place your lid on and process these up. Your strawberry mixture should look like this. It should be thick. Go ahead and place it into a pan. Any pan will really do. It just, depending on how big it is, will depend on how quickly it sets in the freezer. Smooth out your sorbet and place it into the freezer for about 2 hours until it sets. Okay, let's give this strawberry sorbet a try. I'm going to bring in Jeremy. He hasn't tried any of these recipes in a while, so go ahead and give it a try.
Okay.
Jeremy, tell me what you think.
That's good. That's a really good fruity flavor.
It is. It's very fruity. It's very tangy. And I actually think it would be awesome if you added in a little bit of full-fat coconut milk, just because it would make it a little bit more creamy and not as quite, I don't know, I guess tangy is the word that I'm looking for. It's delicious, super easy. Give it a try. Okay, I'm going to play with this just a little bit. I had a can of full-fat coconut milk already in my refrigerator, so it's already hard. And I'm going to scoop out the hard part, which is more of the cream and less of the water. The cream actually separates from the water. Okay, let's blend it up. Okay, now of course you would also put this in your pan, stick it in the freezer, let it set. I'm not going to do that. I just want to taste it. I just wanted to experiment with it. That is so good. So you can taste the coconut. If you like the flavor of coconut, this is so good. Really, really, really good. They're good both ways. It just depends on your taste and what you're looking for, but I highly recommend trying the coconut milk inside of it as well. Have fun in the kitchen. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, if you like this recipe, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to receive a new recipe each week just like this one. I'll see you next week in the kitchen.